Well, 'tis the season for giving, and with so many great causes to support, it can be tough deciding who to help. Joining me today is Lindsay Carter-Tidwell, and she's the Director of Development at UF Health Proton Therapy Institute. Thank you so much for your time. Let's start talking about, helping people and giving them advice when they're deciding where to give or what causes to give their money to.
Absolutely. Well, people typically want to give to something that they're passionate about, that they really care about. And here at the Proton Therapy Institute, oftentimes we will have patients, former patients who are incredibly grateful for the treatment they received here, so they will make a gift back to support the Institute. We also see family members who are thankful, so they will give a gift in memory or honor of a family member that received treatment here.
And so talk a little bit about what those donations to the Proton Therapy Institute, what do they do here?
Sure. Well, the Proton Therapy Institute is a 501c3 charitable organization, and there are so many great things that gifts to the organization are used for. For one, we have a child life specialist, Kim Todd, and Kim works closely with our pediatric patients to help mitigate some of the anxiety or fear associated with treatment. So through play, she helps children cope, and it's really great to see Kim working with the children. She'll oftentimes give them age-appropriate tours or use an iPad to help them work through an app that kind of lets them understand what the treatment, will be like, and it really brings it down to their level so they feel more comfortable. So that's one of the many things that a gift to the Institute would help fund.
And I know you guys do such an amazing job with the children's programs here, but do the donations also help other programs?
They do, they do. One of the things that's wonderful about the Institute is we really want our patients to feel like they have a warm and supportive environment in which to receive treatment. And, a lot of families are here with us, particularly as it relates to our pediatric patients. And so there are really so many great things. We do family fun nights. We have van transportation. So if you're here receiving treatment, we have a full-time van driver who can pick you up and take you to and from your housing. We have yoga. We have artists in residence that are in the lobby, and when patients come in for treatment, they have really great projects that you can work on to help take your mind off of treatment and to kind of engage you with other patients that are here. Oh my goodness, I'm trying to think. We have Wednesday patient lunches, just a lot of great things to help engage patients.
It's not an easy process, and I love what you all do here to make it, just easier for the families and for the children. If somebody is watching this and they've been so moved, how do they then make that donation?
Well, certainly they can go online and they can make a gift by logging on to floridaproton.org/support. Also, if someone's considering a significant gift to support the Institute, whether it be to support the facility itself or research, I'd be happy to have a conversation with them about that. We also see a lot of people who are making deferred gifts, so a gift in their will, a gift in their trust, setting up a charitable gift annuity to support the organization. And if someone has interest in exploring those deferred opportunities, I'd be happy to talk to them about that as well.
Yeah, because sometimes people are ready, but they probably have a few more questions. So how do they reach you, Lindsay?
Sure, they can reach me by calling me. My number is 904-588-1519, or they can email me at lcartertidwell@floridaproton.org. Either way, I'm look forward to chatting with them.
Great. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you guys for what you're doing in the community and helping to support families.
Oh, thank you for having me.
And we'd like to thank UF Health Proton Therapy Institute for sponsoring this segment. To find out more about making a donation to the UF Health Proton Therapy, visit floridaproton.org/support, or as Lindsay said, you can call her directly. That number is 904-588-1519.